Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the importance of personal finance for strong men. Being physically strong is important, but being financially strong is equally important. By taking control of your personal finances, you can build a solid foundation for your future and achieve your financial goals. Step 1. Create a budget. The first step in taking control of your personal finances is to create a budget. This involves tracking your income and expenses and making a plan for your money. By creating a budget, you can ensure that you're living within your means and avoiding debt. Step 2. Pay off debt. The next step is to pay off any outstanding debt you may have. This includes credit card debt, student loans, and car loans. Debt can be a burden on your finances and can prevent you from achieving your financial goals. By paying off your debt, you can free up your income for other things, like investing or saving for retirement. Step 3. Invest in your future. Once you've paid off your debt, it's time to start investing in your future. This can include contributing to a 401k or IRA, investing in stocks or real estate, or starting a business. By investing in your future, you can build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Step 4. Protect your assets. It's also important to protect your assets by having insurance. This includes health insurance, life insurance, and disability insurance. Insurance can provide financial security in the event of an unexpected illness, injury, or death. Step 5. Seek professional help. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional help when it comes to your personal finances. This can include working with a financial advisor, accountant, or attorney. These professionals can provide guidance and expertise to help you make informed financial decisions. Conclusion. In summary, taking control of your personal finances is essential for strong men. By creating a budget, paying off debt, investing in your future, protecting your assets, and seeking professional help, you can achieve financial success and build a strong financial foundation for your future. Thank you for watching, and stay financially strong.